friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video we will see how to add currency details to the amounts. To do this, select the column, right click, go to format cells, go to currency, and here you can see the option called symbol. From here click on this drop down. From this drop down you can select any currency symbol. I'm selecting dollar. After setting this, click on OK. In this way, you can add any currency details to the amounts. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.